Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you are as excited as I am. Let's first talk a little bit about the project and the typical cycle the developer and designer goes through when a new project arises. So, usually the developer gets some design mocks from the designer. Your job as a developer is to design an application that looks exactly like it. Let's talk a little bit about the to-do list app that we're going to be designing. So we'll be designing an app named Taskly, a handy to-do list. Whenever there are no tasks on the screen, this is how it should look. However, a user can tap the right bar button item, that plus icon, to add a new task. This alert is going to enter any text you want into this text field and then add it to your to-do list. This is how the app will look once there is a handful of tasks that you need to do and only one that you've done. If a user wants to add a task to the done section, they'll be able to swipe right. However, if they want to delete it forever, they'll swipe left. Let's see how Taskly looks in the simulator. So as you see, there are no tasks added. Let's add one. Let's say run a mile. Cool. Let's add another. Cool. We drank the water, but we haven't ran the mile yet. So let's add the drink 8 ounces of water to the done section. And we can show that the data persists by closing this app and reopening it. It's a little tricky. Here we go. Nice. So this is what we're going to be developing throughout this course.